You know what's said about holiday sides is they all serve 8 to 10 people. Please, it's just me. And before someone says, "Oh, just buy the canned stuff," I'm a retired chef with over 35 years of experience. I'm not gonna have some gelatinous mess. Not when I can make fresh cranberry sauce in less time and have it actually taste good. So hey, I'm Candy Ann, and today we're doing 3 legit Thanksgiving sides for one from scratch. Cranberry sauce, honey buttered carrots, and green bean almondine, which is basically just a fancy way of saying green beans with butter and almonds. So to our pot, we're adding 1/4 cup cranberry, 2 tablespoons water, 2 tablespoons of sugar, a cinnamon stick, tiny little pinch of salt, and a wee bit of orange zest. That's it. That's the whole recipe. Go ahead and stir it to get that sugar to dissolve. Now you do have to babysit it because in 3 to 4 minutes, those cranberries will start popping. And that's when we'll take our spoon and mush them a little bit. We're just trying to get some texture in there. We're not making baby food. As they pop, I mash them, and then I'll take them off the heat and let them sit, and they'll start to thicken. That's the pectin doing its job. Just like that. Literally less than 5 minutes, you've got beautiful cranberry sauce that doesn't have some cylindrical shape to it, and God knows what the heck's in it. Next up, our green beans almondine. Starting with 1 cup of frozen beans. You can use the can too, they're less money. So let those boil for about 3-4 minutes so that they're still bright green but crisp tender. If you're going from the canned, 1 to 2 minutes. Just to get them warmed through. When your green beans are done, you can ice bath them if you're fancy, drain them if you're not, and well, I'm not. Gonna melt down 2 tablespoons of butter, about 1/4 cup of sliced almonds. Just wanna get those stirred around and toasted a little bit. Again, you have to babysit this because those almonds will go from toasted to burnt in a hot flash. You can see them starting to change color. Toasted almonds smell like absolute heaven. As soon as those are toasted, we throw our beans back in and get them all nice and coated. And there we have it, green bean almondine. I have this bag of carrots from doing the stuffing on the Thanksgiving video, and I'm not a barbarian, I'm not gonna throw them away. So I'm using these for the honey butter carrots, and I still owe you a pot pie, which is coming up. Cup or so into our pot of boiling water back here. The quantity you use is up to your appetite. Those will boil for about 5-6 minutes. And lastly, our honey butter carrot. 2 tablespoons of butter, and then about a tablespoon of that gorgeous honey. So there you have it. Cranberry sauce from scratch, green bean almondine, and honey buttered carrots. All done in under 5 minutes each. Fancy enough for Thanksgiving, and easy enough for a Tuesday night. That isn't some cylinders. So I'm using them for the honey. So I'm using those.